So faceless channel is one of the best way that we've seen a lot of guys, young guys that are using it, and they make money on other social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and stuff. We talk of faceless channel. Faceless channel is the way of talking or creating a video without showing your face. So on faceless channel, as you see my face like this, that one, you know, no one will see your face. The only thing is they will just hear your voice talking about what you are giving into them. On a faceless channel, there's no need for you to show your face. All that you need is your mic and your recording device that you use to record what you want to talk about. And most people don't know how they can start with it, or the kind of content that they can start with a faceless channel and make money from it. So this video, I'm going to show you some of the ideas and that you can start without showing your face and make money from it on Facebook or any other platforms. The fourth one is completing videos. For this one, we see a lot of funny videos that is going around here and there. You can take those videos and combine about 3 or 4 of those videos, post it on their YouTube channel. So you create a channel that will be based on only those stars. We see a lot of people creating funny videos and stars. These people need to trend. So taking their videos and posting it on your channel doesn't mean they will request for your flag or they will request for using their content, because post those videos and someone see it, they will and they want a brand deals and stuff. They will look for the person behind or the person inside that video, but all that you make from the YouTube ads and stuff, okay, that's the YouTube partner program, that is what you will be making from that. So those people wanted to see always trending and people are talking about it. So posting those funny videos will help you also generate a lot of views and stuff on your channel, and you can post it on any other platform. You can post it on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and stuff, and you can generate a lot of views and stuff and make money from it, right? And the third one is using celebrities content, right? We've seen a lot of celebrities content that you can use it and create for. Let's say I want to make a video about a celebrity who is trending at this moment in my country. Like in Ghana, I want to talk about a celebrity which is a Stone Boy or Shatawale. I'll just go in and take a picture of Shatawale or Stone Boy. Then I'll sit down, search for their biography, their families and stuff, where they started school and stuff. Then I will talk about them from A to Z. So when people want to listen or hear all those people, where they are coming from and stuff, their beginning and where they have reached now, they will just come to my channel. And that one, there's no need for you to show your face. Okay, so if you want me to create such content or show you how you can edit those content, let me see you in the comment section. Just edit, just comment edit, just comment edit. Then I'll come in and show you how you can edit those content. You can find them and edit them and stuff. So you can use those things, or you can search for a trending video that's trending. Then you just mute the voice, just talk about the reason why this video is trending. Just show the footage or the video on the screen. Then you explain about it. Okay, that's also creating those content. So when people come to your channel, they will just hear your voice, but they will not see your videos. And the third and the second one is affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing, it has a lot of ways that you can use to make money, right? So let's say I created a channel, or I joined Amazon affiliate and I want to promote my videos, or I want to promote my affiliate links. So I'll just go to this platform and pick up any other skills that, or any other niche that I'm interested in it, and then take a picture of that one. This is I want to talk about the new iPhone 16 that has been released. I'll just go there, take the picture of the iPhone 16, then download the pictures, the videos and stuff, come to my editing tools, just take it, sit on my Mac and talk about it, talk about the reviews, talk about everything about it. So when I talk about it, no one will see my face. They will just hear it. I say it has this, can take a picture up to this side, that storage like this. So comparing it and stuff. So when I've been doing all these stuff, after then I can put the link in the description. Right, people, if you want to buy these stuff, go to the description of this video. So you earn from the affiliate. Then the next thing, you earn from the YouTube. If you meet the requirement of monetization, you can earn from that one too. So that one also is another way that you can. My favorite one is what, making a tutorial video. That's the first point, or the first one is making a tutorial. Tutorial videos is a kind of video that you make to teach people on how they can use stuff, or how they can use other platform and stuff. So it says I take this channel, I go to Facebook, I just sit on my mic, pin my phone, and teach people how to create a Facebook account, how to create a Facebook ads. They will just hear my voice, they will hear how I've been introducing them, showing them step by step on how they can do it, but they will not see my face. So all these stuff are ways that I can use, right, to teach people. Like affiliate marketing, I can start making videos about it, teaching people how they can market, sell their affiliate links and stuff, teach them how they can sell affiliate links on social media platforms like TikTok and stuff. So doing all these stuff can help you make money, sit behind camera and make money on YouTube without showing your face off. So all these things are methods that you can use to make money from a lot of social media platforms. And we have tools that can help us. One, free tools that we can use to generate such content. This is, I want to make a blog about the iPhone 16 that have been introduced. I'll just go and ask ChatGPT about features of it. Just give me all the features. So sitting on my camera, I'll just be reading the features. No one will see my face, so reading the features and record it. After then, come to I get my videos, short videos and pictures. I put the audio under it, then show the pictures on the screen. When the audio is playing, you will see the pictures also showing. So when someone come in, they will see that I've made a video and there's no need for you to face any copyright issues and stuff. So that one is one tool that you can use to generate your script and stuff. And the next one is we have a few tools like Canva that you can use to create your thumbnail for free. Okay, create a high quality thumbnail with Canva, or you can help someone that can create a high quality thumbnail for you. And we have an editing tool that was CapCut, that you can use that one to edit your videos and stuff for free. So everything that you do here, there's no need to you to pay for someone and stuff. You can do it for yourself, and you can generate a lot of videos every day and make money from it. So if I watch this video to this far and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. See you in the next video.